We shall now study about solar panel maintenance and troubleshooting. Module maintenance. Problems listed below should be visually detected. For example, defective cells, yellowing, that is, the panel becomes yellow, defective connection boxes, broken glass, and delamination. Visual inspection. Visual module inspections involve checking for damage due to physical impacts, delaminating, burnt internal connections, and other problems. The condition of the array mounting frame should also be noted. Items to be observed should include the array mounting bolts, for example, whether the bolt has rusted or not, and checks to ensure that the frame and the modules are firmly secured. Modules should be visually inspected for signs of any physical damage, including bent frames or broken glass. Fractured or damaged modules should be replaced even if they are still functioning electrically. If a damaged module is left in service, moisture may enter the module, causing dangerous shorts or ground faults. Most modules use tempered glass, which shatters into small pieces when broken from stress or impact. Corroded grounding connections are usually the result of the contact of incompatible materials or extreme environments. The junction boxes should also be checked to ensure that the wires are not chewed by rodents or insects. Equipment grounding connections at each module should be inspected for corrosion. This type of corrosion usually results from the contact of incompatible metals, so any connections exhibiting corrosion should be replaced with the proper stainless steel fasteners. Periodic issues. Periodic shading control involves trimming vegetation, that is, cutting the branches of trees causing shading, and cleaning a soiled array. If the module has thick dirt or grime and bird droppings which are hard to remove, wash with cold water and rub the panel surface with a sponge. Damp leaf debris trapped under arrays can cause mold and mildew problems. Even a relatively small amount of shading on the array can significantly reduce electrical output. The shading analysis conducted during the site survey establishes the optimal location with the least shading. However, some conditions can change over time, resulting in increased array shading. Routine maintenance may be required to control excessive shading. When the damage cannot be detected visually, an infrared sensor is used to detect the hot spot zones and defects in the cell as shown in the picture.